Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with another short tutorial video for the Makera Cyclone Dust Collector. And in this one, we're looking at how to utilize it as an air purification system for laser engraving operations. So let's dive in. In addition to being a powerful dust collection unit for your desktop CNC, the Makera Cyclone Dust Collector can also be used as an air purifier for laser engraving as well, thanks to not only the 3-stage filter system within, but also the pre-staged sponge filter that comes with the Cyclone Dust Collector. When using the Cyclone for air purification, install the pre-staged sponge filter in the dust pipe entry port on the Cyclone as shown. You also want to ensure that your filters are cleaned and that the dustbin has been emptied. With the Cyclone connected to your CNC, turn it on to full power and operate it as an air purifier for laser engraving operations when using materials that are safe for laser engraving, such as wood. Now, the Makera Cyclone Dust Collector was designed specifically with the laser engraving modules available for the Carvera, Carvera Air, and Makera Z1 in mind, and the types of projects that you might be doing with those laser engraving modules and those desktop CNCs. That means that this is not suitable as an air purification system for a much larger or more industrial laser engraving unit. It's also really important to ensure that you're only ever using this as an air purifier when engraving materials that are safe for laser engraving. Lastly, remember to remove the pre-staged sponge filter before attempting to use the Cyclone for dust collection operations. Thanks for watching. We dive deeper into the maintenance and the setup of the Cyclone Dust Collector in some of our other tutorials and guides. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.